Good morning, Northwestern. Today for math, we are going to continue to grow our brains in addition. So let's go ahead and get started. So follow along as I read. Listen to the story. Raul had 9 berries. 5 were strawberries, 4 were blueberries. How many berries did he have in all? How many strawberries? How many blueberries? So let's go ahead. Let's listen to that again. Raul had 9 berries. 5 were strawberries, 4 were blueberries. How many berries did he have in all? How many strawberries? And then how many blueberries? So scholars, what I want you to do right now is I want you to go ahead. I'm going to move my screen so you guys can see. I want you to go ahead and draw a picture to represent the problem, and then you guys are going to do a number bond to represent the problem. So go ahead and press pause and complete the work. And then when you are ready, go ahead and come back and we'll do it together. Okay, so scholars, now that you guys have completed your work, we're going to go ahead and do it together on my screen. So the first thing, I'm going to reread the problem again, just to make sure I fully understand what is happening. So Raul had 9 berries. 5 were strawberries, 4 were blueberries. So in my picture, I need to make sure that I draw a total of 9 berries. And that's because it says Raul had 9 berries. And then I need to make sure 5 are strawberries and 4 are blueberries. So I'm going to use my red marker and I'm going to draw 5 strawberries. So I'm just going to draw circles because strawberries are a little too difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to use the color blue to represent my blueberries. And I see that I have to draw 4 because 4 were blueberries. So I'm going to draw 4 additional circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now I see over here that it's asking questions. So how many berries did he have in all? I'm going to take my black pen and I'm going to label all of my pictures. So go ahead and label with me. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's go ahead and read that question again. How many berries did he have in all? So I just labeled 9, which tells me that he had 9 berries in all. So I'm going to go ahead and write 9. How many strawberries? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my red pen and I'm going to relabel my strawberries. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many strawberries? 5. And I'm going to change my color to blue to represent my blueberries because it asks how many blueberries. So let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there were 4 blueberries. And then it asks for you to also draw a number bond. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to create my number bond real quick. Gotta make my circles. I'm just going to copy that. And then let's paste it. And I'm going to move it right over here. And then I have to make sure that I draw my connecting lines to make my number bond. So I know that the top of my number bond is my total. And right here we answered how many berries did he have in all. So I know that there were 9 berries in all, so I'm going to put the number 9 here. And then it asks you to break it apart. So what two numbers make 9? Again, what two numbers make 9? Here I see that 5 and 4 make 9. So if I have 5 strawberries and I add 4 blueberries, I'm making the number 9. So again, 5 strawberries, 4 blueberries make 9. So in each of these boxes, I'm going to put a 5 and a 4, because that represents the picture that I drew here. 5 strawberries and 4 blueberries. Okay, so now I need to go ahead and I need to move this back up, because we are now going to go ahead and we're going to take this story and we're going to use a 10 frame to see another way that we can make 9. So here's my 10 frame. And remember my story, Raul had a total of 9 berries. So we need to make and fill in 9 of the squares. But first, he had 5 strawberries. So let's go ahead and draw circles in the top 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can see in my first row, my first 5 are represented in my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go ahead. I'm going to go back to blue to represent my blueberries. And I remember that Raul had 4 blueberries. So I need to draw 4 additional blueberries. And here on my 10 frame, I can see that I have 5 strawberries and 4 blueberries. So I can tell, that tells me that 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, make 9. So 5 and 4 make 9. 5 and 4 make 9. Now let's go ahead, I'm going to try to trick you. Let's go ahead and make 8. Now I'm thinking, and I know that in order to make 8, I can fill in the first 5 boxes because I know that 8 is greater than 5. So that right there tells me I can quickly draw my circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now that I already have my 5 filled out, I need to think, okay, how many more make 8? So if I have 5, let's see how many more make 8. 1, 2, 3. So I need to add 3 additional circles to my 10 frame. So 1, 2, 3. So this 10 frame now shows me that 5 and 3 make 8. Again, 5 and 3 make 8. Okay, scholars, it's now time for our exit ticket. I'm going to show you. Now remember, for your exit ticket, you are just going to hit pause, complete the problem, and then come on back so we can do it together. So I'm going to go ahead and give you some time. Go ahead and hit pause, and I will see you soon. Okay, scholars, now that you have completed the problem, I'm going to go ahead and show you on my screen what it would look like to be completed. So the problem is asking, use the number sentence to draw a picture. Okay, so the number sentence is 4 plus 1 equals 5. So I'm going to draw a picture, and I'm going to have, we can use blue. So I'm going to have 4 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to change my color just so I don't get tricked. And then so 4, I already have my 4, and I'm going to add 1 more. So I'm going to draw 1 more circle. And I'm going to double check that this makes 5 because it's telling me 4 plus 1 equals 5. Let's go ahead and label. I will use black. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 more makes 5. go ahead and remember to complete your flashcards, which the video is linked down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.